Our education system is sadly messed up at the moment. You all know about the NEET exam, feeling bad for the students. After giving an exam, after expecting good marks, they have to, go through stress for one more month and study for all this for one more month. It is very sad. Okay. Secondly, 9 CBSE books are not available. Schools are going to start in 10 to 15 days, but no books are available. Okay. 10 CBSE gave an improvement exam and they were not sure if they are going to get admission in a college or not. Then state board books also are not available still. Okay, the Maharashtra state board. 12 CBSE, they were shocked about their results because there was a new marking system which had come for them. I hope those who are watching this video and those who are at the leadership level of the CBSE and the education system of our country plan to do something, increase the level of seats for NEET and JEE. 25 lakh students giving 1 point, fighting and competing for 1.2 lakh seats. 25 lakh, 1.2 lakh. Obviously, there will be stress. Imagine there were no coaching classes at all. Stress would not be less, stress would increase more. So, bringing regulation in coaching classes and all, okay, I welcome it, no problem. Many institutes are still running, without being authorized and all of it. But what is going to happen by making regulation in coaching classes? The stress levels are not going to reduce. Seats. That is important. Increase the level of seats. See the real estate, how it is booming. See the commercial establishments booming. In 10 years, no doubt, 300, 400 colleges were there. They have become 700. Decent enough. But see real estate, they have not grown double. They have gone to... See the buildings and all. In 1 or 2 years, there are buildings and all coming up nowadays. Commercial establishments also. Development happening. I welcome development. But at the same pace, if colleges, seats and all were available, there will be less stress. It would not be required, to even leak the paper. Okay. So, glorifying such exams has become a norm because of the less seats available. So I would request those who are watching this video, if you are at a leadership level, do something. As a parent, as a teacher, it really worries me that from the top level to the bottom level, everything, NEET to first, second, third standard, even second, third standard state board books are not in the market, not available. If students, the younger ones also want to study little bit, some practice at home, they cannot do. And then we have so much competition in schools. Bye.